Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and obtain free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of July 1st, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.26. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned in the lower section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which often presents a significant buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $11.20 be breached, it would first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but may also serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 36.1% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 34.58% to 90.31%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 111.88%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 85.73% to 404.54% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would imply a future price between $21.04 and $57.16. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price decreased by 4.47% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, fallen from $11.86 to $11.33. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.49%, moving from a day low of $11.24 to a day high of $11.74. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 6.83% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, alongside the stock price, which generally signals a positive trend, as volume should ideally follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 20 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $314,096,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the stock was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the stock price stands at 47.11%, or $10.09, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker RGTI, is currently navigating a volatile landscape in the quantum computing sector. As of July 1st, 2025, there are strong sentiments surrounding both RGTI and its rival D-Wave. Investors are intrigued as advancements in quantum computing promise significant breakthroughs in areas like machine learning and cryptography. This burgeoning field is often compared to the rise of artificial intelligence, which has resulted in substantial shareholder gains. Notably, Rigetti stock has faced a downturn, currently trading about 48% below its peak price from earlier in the year. Despite this dip, there's speculation regarding the company's innovative strategies, particularly its commitment to in-house chip manufacturing. This move aims to accelerate quantum advancements and improve system control, which could enhance long-term competitive standing. Moreover, analysts are closely monitoring Rigetti's potential to double its stock price to around $20 by year-end, reflecting growing optimism about its long-term trajectory. While the short-term volatility may present challenges, the overall outlook for quantum computing remains bullish, suggesting that investors willing to endure short-term fluctuations could reap substantial rewards in the future. The market's mixed opinions highlight both risks and opportunities, making it essential for investors to stay informed as developments unfold. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. Rigetti Computing Inc. has a buy signal from the short-term moving average, while the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock rises further, it will encounter resistance at $11.84, which is the long-term moving average. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $11.25. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the existing sell signal and strengthen the general outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 20.16%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 176 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.63 and $10.31. There is an inherent risk associated with a stock testing a support level. If this support is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.63. Should this level be broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $10.31 and $9.87. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0551 of a dollar between its high and low, representing a change of 4.49%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.33%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's swiftly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established firms can face downturns due to uncontrollable factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may reflect inadequate profitability and pose a risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts project consensus estimates at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $11.64. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $10.63. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Fitzgerald Alyssa conducted an insider sale of 77,284 shares of common stock. On the 11th of June, 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted an insider sale of 25,000 shares of warrants, which is the right to buy. On the 10th of June, 2025, Ianati Thomas J. conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June, 2025, Johnson Ray O. conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June, 2025, Sanford Helene Gale conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 21.944. Overall, insiders purchased 7,538,828 shares and sold 7,786,921 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been set. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. shows several negative signals, and we believe it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some slight weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open higher by approximately 0.105 and commence trading at 11.44. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of this stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.